In this video, I'm going to talk about how to do a password recovery on a Cisco switch. So let's say that we forgot the password. Uh, we forgot our password for us to log into this switch here. So we can't log in anymore. So we're gonna do a password recovery. So you can see here that I have a laptop connected to the switch via the console connection, but I'm just gonna go ahead and double click the switch because it's just the same as I have a console connection to the switch anyway. So yeah, let's check our procedure here. So as you can see, Catalyst 3560. So you can just search this on Google this particular procedure. So recovering from a lost or forgotten password. So I'm gonna click that, and we have two options: procedure with password recovery enabled and procedure with password recovery disabled. So step one, I'm gonna go back to our topology here. Step one, so this is already done here, and 9600 baud rate is the default value in packet tracer. Power up the switch, reconnect the power cord to the switch, and within 15 seconds press the mode button while the system LED is still flashing green. Continue pressing the mode button until the system LED turns briefly amber and then solid green, and release the mode button. In real world, that is what you would do. But here in our example, or in packet tracer, I'm just gonna power cycle the switch, and then just press the mode button for me to get to the Raman. So let's do that right now. Power cycle, and then press the mode button. So now I'm in the Raman mode. So I can type in question mark, and now I see these commands here. So let's go back to the procedure here. So if you see a message that begins with this, so the system has been interrupted prior to initializing the file system. The following commands will initialize the flash file system. Following commands will initialize. So it looks like we did not see that particular message, but let's see this. We do not see this particular message either. So I know that we need to follow this because I tried it already. So we need to follow this particular procedure here. So let's click it. So step one, flash init. Flash is already initialized. We don't see load helper, so packet tracer doesn't support it. So dir flash dir flash okay, so it's number 4. Step 4, display the contents of flash memory. So we have almost the same output here, and we have to rename the file to old. So let me just copy and paste this command here. It works. So Okay, now uh, it has that we have renamed that config.txt into this config.txt.old. And step 6, boot the system or the switch. And you are prompted to start the setup program. Enter N at the prompt. So we did not get that message. We did not get this message here. In real world, you should get that message, but of course this is just packet tracer. So I'm gonna actually try to raise the NVRAM and raise power cycle the routers, I mean the devices, and then just wait. Okay, now we get the message here. So in packet tracer we need to do an extra step, so we need to delete the NVRAM first and then boot the router, so that uh, we get this message here. So type in and enable. So now we can get into the enable mode without without typing in any password. So it's not asking for any password. So let me do a dir flash just to check the files in flash. So we see that config.txt.old. This is what we renamed in Roman mode. So here, step 9. Actually, you have to follow step 8 first. So I'm just gonna follow this. Oops, rename. Looks like it's not working. Rename. It's not supported, so I'm gonna actually just copy flash running config source. That would be this file here, destination file name that. So we are able to get into the privilege modes. I mean, yeah, we are already in privilege mode, but we're just trying to here. What we are doing here is we are trying to restore the content of this file here, but basically we have successfully uh, get into the enable mode without typing any passwords. So this is what we did here. What we did, but we didn't. Rename is not supported in packet tracer. So you can actually we have to actually change the password, right? Enable secret Cisco. So Now password has been changed. I mean, we are able to change the password and save and reload the router. So yeah, this is just to make sure that everything is working. After you have uh, saved the config, you have to reload the switch and double check your configurations. But we're not going to do that in this video. But we have actually changed the password or recovered the password. Sorry, changed the password successfully uh, by following these steps here. So yeah, that's it in this video. Thanks for watching.